What's up guys, Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews. So today I've got my hands on the CMSBIKE F16. Now this product was featured in this month's Coolest Tech Special, and if you missed it and you would like to see a full detailed unboxing of this product, then I will leave the link for that video in the description box below. It's a hybrid electric bike, so you can use it as a manual bicycle with pedals, and you also have the electric side which can be activated from a flick of a switch. Now to clear some confusion up, the maximum electric speed that this bike can do is 25 kilometers per hour, and I will be taking this bike out for a spin in a bit to find out how good this bike performs, and we are going to see for ourselves what top speed we can actually achieve. So here's your handle frame. You've got dual brakes front and back. You've got your gears over here, so there is a 6-speed gear system, and you can simply change the gears by going up or down as so. Here is your electric side. You turn the power on and you push down on the accelerator. You can just switch off the electrics by just pressing the power button, and that'll be off. The seat is actually padded. So here is the battery. It gives you an indication of the battery and some lights on the back with a power button. Back wheel with all the gear systems. Now this bike weighs 20 kgs including the battery attached. Now the wheels are quite thick. It's 16-inch in size and reminds me of my old BMX wheels. Now the bike can take a load of 110 kgs, which is 17 stones. So this is a 6-speed electronic bike, and once you get used to it, it's quite quick to fold and unfold. You have LED lights on the front and an LCD display. Dual mechanical brakes front and back. Now the LCD display will show you the battery life, speeds and distance travelled. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and take this bike out for a spin, shall we? So I'm all set. I've got the GoPro Hero 7 mounted to the handlebars, and I've got the electrics now turned on as well. So first of all, I'm going to do a casual manual bike ride just using the manual system, and then we're going to go electric. I've also got another camera mounted to the body of the bike, and that camera is the YILITE. So let's get cracking. So I'm in normal cycling mode at the moment, just getting used to it. So we are now in electric mode, and this is where I took the bike to its maximum speed, and to my surprise I actually got to 28 kilometers per hour, and I could have taken that speed up a little by pedaling at the same time, but no doubt 28 kilometers per hour felt fast enough. Another awesome feature is when you pedal manually whilst electric mode is on, it actually activates the electric, and as soon as you stop pedaling, the electric immediately cuts off. So you don't actually have to press the electric accelerator on the handlebars to start the electric mode. You can just pedal and it will still give you the same effect. So we're on the grass now, see how that feels. So there you have it guys, that was the CMSBIKE F16, an absolutely treat of a bike. You have enough electrical power to boost you to speeds up to 28 kilometers per hour, and you could push that limit further with heels and using pedals as well as the electrical acceleration button. But I am definitely more than satisfied with the top speed of this bike. Now the battery life only dropped 1 bar throughout my 2-hour bike ride, and I really like how you can quickly adjust the seat and handlebar height without any tools required. Now along with 6 gear speeds for manual pedaling, you also have 5 different electrical speed levels to select, one being the slowest. Now you can gradually increase that speed as you get used to it. So within 5 minutes I was happy and comfortable on level 5 and remained on that level throughout. So a very well made and enjoyable product. It's definitely worth the price tag it's going for. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.